Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a kind girl named Luna. Every night before bed, she would gaze up at the twinkling sky and whisper, "Good night, stars!" But one night, something was different. As Luna looked up, she saw one little star flickering slowly, almost like it was yawning. Then, to her surprise, the star whispered back, "Luna, I'm sleepy, but I can't fall asleep." Luna blinked in surprise. "A sleepy star that can't sleep?" she whispered back. "That sounds like a bedtime adventure." She quickly tucked her teddy bear under one arm, closed her eyes, and just like that, whoosh! A soft breeze lifted her up into the sky. She floated past puffy clouds and sleepy owls all the way to the shimmering starland. There, the sleepy star floated sadly near a moonbeam. "All the other stars are dreaming," he said, "but my sparkle is too bright to sleep." Luna thought for a moment. "What helps me sleep?" she said. "Are soft lullabies and warm cuddles." So she sang gently, "Twinkle low and twinkle light, time for dreams and cozy night. Close your eyes and gently rest, stars like you need sleep the best." The sleepy star's twinkle got softer and softer. Still a little awake, he whispered, "Can you tell me a story?" Luna smiled. "Of course!" She told him a story about a fluffy cloud that dreamed of becoming a marshmallow and a raindrop who wanted to be a pearl. As she spoke, the sleepy star's eyes slowly drooped. His glow became a soft golden shimmer. Then, zzz, he fell asleep. Luna gave him a little hug. "Good night, sleepy star," she whispered. The moon gave her a gentle wink, and a breeze carried Luna home. She snuggled into her bed, her teddy bear warm beside her. As she closed her eyes, a tiny sparkle blinked from the sky, the sleepy star saying good night.